Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to create a Gmail desktop app on Windows 10 quickly and easily. First, open your web browser and log into your Gmail account with your credentials. Once your inbox is ready, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of your browser. Next, navigate to Cast, Save, and Share, then click Create Shortcut. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to name your shortcut. I recommend simply naming it Gmail so it's easy to recognize on your desktop. Once you've entered a name, click Create and you'll see a Gmail icon appear on your desktop. And that's it. You've successfully created a Gmail desktop app. Now you can double-click this shortcut anytime to access Gmail directly without opening a browser. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.